Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to add an engagement event post to your Facebook timeline. Whether you're celebrating a special moment or simply sharing the joy with your friends, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, you'll see the familiar question at the top of your feed. What's on your mind? Tap on that to begin creating your post. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events section. This is where you can highlight significant milestones in your life. Once you find it, tap to open the options. From the list of categories, select Relationship. This section is designed for sharing important updates about your personal connections. Within this category, choose the option labeled Engagement. This is perfect for announcing and celebrating this exciting moment in your life. Now it's time to personalize your post. Fill in all the details about your engagement. You can include who you're engaged to, the date of the event, and even add a heartfelt message or story to make it more meaningful. Once you've added all the details, tap on Next. Finally, review your post to ensure everything looks just right. When you're satisfied with how it appears, tap on Post. Your engagement announcement will now be shared with your friends and family on Facebook, and that's it. You've successfully created and shared an engagement event post on Facebook. It's a simple way to celebrate love and let everyone know about this special chapter in your life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who might need a little guidance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.